In this guide I'm going to show you how to download the application and how to get it up and running by building the environment. The first thing you need to do is to get an Anaconda distribution. So we'll just say Anaconda download and then go into individual edition, and then in the bottom of this page there will be the different Anaconda distributions. In my case it's this one, the 64-bit. It's probably the same for you. You download this, and while you are setting it up, it will ask you if you want to create a path variable for Anaconda on your computer, and you will say yes to this. If you forget to do this, you will have to go into advanced settings and create environment variables, go to path, edit, and then you need to create two new path variables, and these two path variables will be specified in the textual guide for this tutorial. But when you have done that, you will have the Anaconda distribution, and you can go in here and start Anaconda Navigator, and that will be a distribution for PyCharm, but you could use any other code editor that you are familiar with. And I recommend you use PyCharm. So when you have launched PyCharm, it will be a blank project, and you will go to VCS and then git, and then you will say clone, and you will paste the URL to the project that is in the textual guide for this tutorial, and you will say clone. When you've done that, you will go and you will save the project, and you'll just save it to some path and give it a name that is suitable. And when you're done with that, you need to build the environment. So to build the environment, you go to terminal, and in my case this is a path to the environment folder that you need to be in to build the environment, but I'll just show you how to get there. You will be in this folder to start with, and you'll say cd, and then actually you might be just here. Let's just say you start from desktop, but you probably are in the folder of the application. So to get there, you say cd to go one level up in the folder, and you type in the name of, in my case it's DFM app 2, because this is the place where the application is hosted, and then cd, and then you go to environments that I have made a typo in. It should be environments with an N, of course, but it's environments here. And when you are here, you can build the environment. To do this, you say conda environment env create -f, and then the name of the this file, and that is -app underscore 0.0.yml. And I think in my case it has already built this, so it will say prefix already exists in my case, but in your case it will build the environment, and when you're done with that, the environment will be located in the Anaconda free, the place where Anaconda free on your computer is located. As it says here, it tries to go in and build this environment. So when you've done that, the environment is ready, and you could also, to make sure that it's ready, you can go in and say here conda activate and then environment name, and the environment name is this name. This is the one that needs to be there. So again, conda activate and then this name, and you'll just type it here when you're done, but it's probably not needed, but you can do it. When you have created the environment, you need to load the environment into the application, or actually build the environment in the application or in PyCharm. And to do that, you go to File, and then Settings, and then you go to Project, and then you go to Project Interpreter, and then to make a new environment here, you go to Add, and then you go to conda environments, and then you say existing environment, and then you will go into wherever Anaconda 3 is located on your computer. In my case it's users, and then Benjamin, and then Anaconda 3, and then environments, and then I have a lot of different environments, but in this case this will be the name of your environment dash underscore 1.0, and you will take this file python-x and say okay, and then you will just say okay, and then this file, I can just make another one, call this we'll just build it anyway. And as you see now it's just called 2 here because I already have the environment, and you can say apply, and it would have built the environment for the system, and it'll be finished, and you'll be ready to launch the application. So I'm not going to do that because I already have the environment, but when it's finished, then you can say run app, and then it should all work, and you should be able to use the application. And to say run app, you need to be in the app folder, app.py, right click and press run app, and then it will present this link to a local host where the app is located, or hosted rather. So you press that, and then you are ready to use the application. So that's it for this guide, but go into the textual guide and see the different stuff that you need to put in, for example the link to the project. Alright, thank you.